Okay, we got to adjust this mouth here, so when we connect it, it doesn't come back too far. So what we got to do is we're going to cut this piece off down here across, and then we're going to cut this piece out in there. So we cut back on that. Cut those two pieces off, so now we can get the mouth where we want the mouth to fit in the back. It can't go back too far, so that's just about where I want it. I'll know more once I get the neck pieces put in. So we're going to work on that. We'll get this sanded down some, and then we'll move on to the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching.